So the stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. Oh, wow, look at this pixie. This is absolutely gorgeous. She does have that trendy asymmetrical shape, and it does appear that he cut off the color completely. Wow, this is just stunning. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So we move on to the next hair transformation. The stylist places the hair in some ponytails. She does a bit of a DIY cut here. Now with these, of course, once somebody does start cutting their own hair, the stylist will clean it up. So it looks like she has the clippers, and she is doing more of like a buzz cut for this one. Now I feel like she has a beautiful face, so she can pretty much rock any hairstyle and probably look amazing. And she does go blonde here. Wow. Absolutely stunning makeover. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with blonde, frizzy hair. It looks like the stylist is adding in some pink hair coloring. A little bit of lavender. Oh, wow. Unicorn hair makeover. Wow, she looks like a completely different person. I love the color combination on this. It kind of reminds me of like a pastel dream. Like, this is just so beautiful. So we move on to the next transformation. Looks like we have someone who wants to go shorter. Oh, a nice layered mid-length cut. Very nice. Now this one does, of course, have the curtain bangs with it as well. Very popular hair trend that we're seeing right now. And then we have someone else who wants to go short. I love this stylist hair. Such a beautiful color combination. So it looks like she's doing like a chin length style bob here. Oh, wow. And then she also has the curtain bangs with this look as well. I was saying in another video that layered bobs are very popular this season. This is such a chic, cute little bob style. Very nice. And then we have our last hair transformation for today's video. So she starts off with a bob hairstyle. Does have a very rounded shape to it, and she decided to go with a pixie. Very nice angled pixie with the swoop bangs. Gorgeous. Nice classic hairstyle. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.